All right, oboes, it's time for line number 7. Now this one is kind of different. It can almost be like a little duet, okay? So here we have a solo part, which is like the first whole note, and then the alternating whole notes after that, meaning solo, one person plays, right? And then it says band, or it could be just the echo where everyone else plays, another group plays, that sort of thing, okay? So we're gonna do this a couple of different ways, because then at the end, if you like, you can rewind, and when I'm playing the solo part, you can play the band part, and we can feel like you kind of feel like we're playing together. Or vice versa, when I'm playing the band part, you can be the soloist, okay? All right, so first of all, let's do this. Let's check out our notes, okay? Now remember, you're not going to be playing every single whole note in this line, so it will be kind of like you almost have 4 counts to change and breathe and get set for your next note, okay, since it alternates. So we start on B flat, right? And then the next the next ones are C's. Ooh, look at this next one. We skip down to A. So actually, from C to get to A, we actually have to lift up finger 4 as we press down finger 2, right? So 2 fingers will actually be moving to go from C to A. Again, you'll have time to change, but you might just want to practice C to A a couple times to kind of feel what that feels like. Okay, and then the last note there is B flat. So again, just make sure you're ready for that change of 2 fingers, C, that skips down to A. Okay, so let's do this. Let's say like we're playing the solo part. Okay, so we're gonna say B flat, right? All right, so let's try it. We're the solo. Say it, ready, here we go. B flat, change. C, careful here, remember 2 fingers. A, B flat, and the end. Okay? So again, you have time to make sure you can get those changes while the band part is playing for you, okay? Let's give it a try. We're gonna be the soloist. Test note. Here's out, 2. All right, so if you like, you can rewind and I'll be the solo while you play the band or echo part if you like. Be kind of fun. All right, so now let's take a look and pretend like we are the echo or the band part. Same order of notes, same order of finger changes. The only difference is when I count off 1, 2, you don't go right away, right? We have to wait for that solo part to play first. Okay, so let's say it again and practice, but remember, we're doing now the band part or the echo part. All right, so let's say it. 1, 2, ready, but don't go, we wait. Now, B flat, C, A, B flat. Right? Kind of makes sense. So you can't go right away because we have to wait for that solo part to play. All right? So let's try it out. We're going to be the echo. Test note. All right, so remember, don't go right away. I'll help you. Here's out, 2, wait, 1, 2, breathe. So now you can rewind, and again, when I play solo, you try being the echo. When I play the echo, you be the soloist. Be kind of cool. See ya.